Hello guys, so today we are going to see one of an online AI detection platform named as Codespy. When you get on to the interface of it, you get option to either register or login. If you are a new user, you can start with the register option. And as I already have created my account, I will go with my login option. Okay, so let me log in into it. This platform helps you to detect AI generated codes in your code base. So what happens right now is in a given team, if you have two, three members working along with you, there will be some members using AI generated code. And the problem with that is it could add some bug or else some problems, some issues in your code. So to detect any possible case of AI generated code, we can use this code spy platform. So in this code spy platform, on the left side, you would be seeing three options like project, dashboard, report, and project. So in the dashboard section, you will be having options like plan, new AI scan, and all uh, past scans that you have done for your project. So what I will do, I will show you a demonstration of how we can scan this up. You have to click on a new AI scan and you have to paste your code over here. So I have already added one AI generated code and as well as one human written code. So I will add this code to my analyzer and then I will check it up. So I will just directly paste it up over here. Now, one more thing. We have many language options. Okay, we can have Java, C hash, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and C++. So these are the possible language in which AI detection would work with CodeSpy. So right now I have Java. So I will select my Java, and then I will click on Analyze. Okay. After clicking on analyzing, it will take in the code and it will analyze and it will tell me till what extent or else in terms of 100 say. So we have a score of 100. So in terms of 100, what actual score are we getting for AI code? So let's wait. So right now you can see the output. So right now it is showing me the probability of AI, and out of 100 I have 98 probability. So it means this whole of code base is generated by using AI. Okay. Now if I want to get more into description of which part of my code is generated by AI and which is not, then I can go over here. So the code written in red tells me that it is most probably generated by AI itself. Okay. And if you want more of the description, so you can see that this all area marked with a red color, it is highly predictive that it is generated by AI. Okay. So this was the first use case where the code was generated with AI. I will take one more use case. Okay. So this second case is totally written by human. So in this case, I am expecting that there should not be any prediction of AI used over here. Okay. So this is a long code and I will be copying up the whole code for you. Even though it is a long code, no problem with that. Just a moment and copy. So same way as we did for the AI generated code, I will do same thing for here too. And I will paste my code in this input box and I will select my language. So right now this is also Java. So I will keep my settings as Java itself. And then I will click on analyze and it will be analyzing my report. Once my results are out, then I will show you. So my result is out. And after analysis, it is telling me that only 2% of probability exists that this code has been written by using AI. Okay. So if I want to get more into it, so I can see there is no area marked with the red color. This means each and every line of code that has been written over here uh, has been written with human hands, not with AI. Okay. So this is how you will be predicting if a code has been written, and if it has been written, then which part of the code has been written with AI. So this is a way you can. And now you will also get a latest report of what all predictions you got. And if you want more of the report, you can get into the report section. Yeah, you will also get an option to totally export your report. So if I click on export and if I click on export, then I will get a Excel downloaded link. So if I show you what is the output in this case, so it will contain list of all predictions that I made. Okay, yeah. So this is the list of predictions that I made. So this was my past list, and each probability as per the prediction of what percentage of AI would have been used in this. Okay. Now, let's get into plans. So, this platform, Postbuy, gives you many plans. Like, let me explain you one by one. First plan is free plan. Okay. So, in free plan, you get three AI scan per month, and this language thing is same. All language will be available for you, even in the free plan. Only thing is restricted. That is number of times you can scan it up. It will be restricted to only three times, and report, white label report, data export, and API will not be included in the free plan. And next is your consultant plan. Okay, it is for four people. So suppose in a team, you are working in a team and your team has four members or four contributors. In that case, you can take a consultant plan, and it has unlimited AI scan and AI detection in all given five languages. And right now I am with the consultant plan. Okay. So along with that, you also have a data export option. So right now I showed you, or you will be exporting the data of any past scan that you did. Okay. In this case, API would not be added, and white label report and branded report will not be added. Next comes your small business. So in this case, you can extend till 50 people. Okay. Small startups, small corporations, they can have this a small business plan. And except for the branded report and white label report, you will have everything, and you will also have your API included. Okay. And then the last one is enterprise. So this is again for only 50 people, but it contains every functionality, every bundle of functionalities that we have on Codespy platform. Unlimited AI scan, AI detection in all languages, then branded report, white label report, data export, and API along with this. Okay. So one more thing that I would like to add up here is this platform only detects AI generated codes in your code space. It does not turns it back into human generated form. Okay, so that part would be totally be done by human only. This codes by platform would not be able to that do that work, but it will obviously detect whatever AI generated code is there in your code block, and it will help you in debugging process and other related processes.